It's now my pleasure to invite Ogweno Stephen to the stage, who will be moderating our first panel discussion with the government representatives of Philippines, South Africa, Greece, and Egypt, a global health advocate, a trustee at the World Obesity Federation, and the founder of the Link Foundation, a youth-led non-profit tackling non-communicable disease across Africa. Having lived with obesity, Stephen transformed his experience into a mission to fight the rising burden of obesity and the related NCDs through education, innovation, and community-driven programs. Welcome, Owen.
Right, thank you.